students, I'm teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. Welcome to my channel, My Maths Teacher. In the previous video lecture, we have started with the exercise 3.4. We have studied the meaning of implicit and explicit function, and we have also finished question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Today we'll be solving question number 2 of the same exercise. So let's move on. The first sub question of question number 2. The question number 2 is also of the same type. You have to find dy by dx. The sub question first is y into e raised to x plus x into e raised to y is equal to 1. So first let us differentiate each term with respect to x. So we will write differentiating with respect to x now see, this first term is y into e raised to x. That means we have to use the formula of d dx of u into v. That is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So we get y into d dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x into d dx of y plus, now even the second term is the product of two terms, so we have to use the same formula. So we will write x into d dx of e raised to y plus e raised to y into d upon dx into x is equal to d dx of 1. So we get therefore y into d dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, you know that, plus e raised to x into dy by dx plus x into d dx of e raised to y. d dx of e raised to y will be e raised to y into, we have to derive this y term, so that we get either dy by dx plus e raised to y into d dx of x, that will be 1, is equal to d dx of 1. 1 is a constant number. So we know that derivative of constant k is 0. So it is 0 here. Now let us collect all the terms having dy by dx. So we get e raised to x plus x into e raised to y dy by dx plus, now let us put the terms without dy by dx in another bracket. So we get y into e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to 0. Now we have to find dy by dx. So first let us take this y into e raised to x plus e raised to y on the right hand side. So you get e raised to x plus x into e raised to y into dy by dx will be equal to minus of y into e raised to x plus e raised to y. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of y into e raised to x plus e raised to y upon e raised to x plus x into e raised to y. That completes your sum. Fine. Let's move to the next one. Second sum, x raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y. Correct? Now we have seen when the function is of the form f of x raised to g of x, we have to make use of logarithm. So first let us take log on both sides. So first we'll write taking log on both sides. We'll get log of x raised to y is equal to log of e raised to x minus y. Now you know that this power will come from multiplication. Therefore, y into log x is equal to x minus y into log e. You know this rule, log of m raised to n is equal to n into log m. Correct? Seems. Now log e is 1. So we get, therefore, y into log x is equal to x minus y. You can write since log e is equal to 1. So now differentiate. So differentiating with respect to x. Now again, this is the product of two terms. So we have to use the formula d dx of u into v. So you get y into d dx of log x plus log x into d dx of y is equal to, now this side it is just x minus y. So we have to differentiate x and y separately. So you get d dx, I'll just write d dx of x minus d dx of y. Now let us find the derivatives. So therefore y into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus, here you get log x into dy by dx is equal to, now derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus dy by dx. So now let us collect all the terms having the term dy by dx. So we get log x and minus dy by dx. When it comes on LHS, it will become plus dy by dx. So we'll write plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y by x. Now 1 minus y by x can be written as x minus y upon x. So we get dy by dx is equal to x minus y upon x into log x plus 1. Now see, log x plus 1 on LHS is for multiplication. So when it goes on the right hand side, it will go for division. So we get dy by dx is equal to x minus y upon x into log x plus 1. This is your final answer of second sub question. See, the third question is xy is equal to log of xy. Actually, this sum can be solved by two methods. So I'll show you both the methods. Let us first, as usual, differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. Now this is xy, that is the product of two terms. So we have to use the formula of d dx of u into v. So we get x into d upon dx of y plus y into d upon dx of x, correct, is equal to log of xy. That is, now derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log xy will be 1 upon xy. But this log xy being a composite function, we have to again derive x into y term. So we write d dx of xy. Getting? So you get x into dy by dx plus y into 1 is equal to 1 upon xy into. Now see, again this xy is the product of two terms. So we have to use the rule of d dx of uv. So that is x into d dx of y plus y into d dx of x. So let us simplify. You get x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 upon xy into x into dy by dx plus y into 1. d dx of x will be 1. Now let us multiply by this 1 upon xy to each term in the bracket. So you get, therefore, x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 upon xy into x into dy by dx plus 1 upon xy into y. So now you can cut this xx here and you can cut yy on this side. So you get x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 upon y into dy by dx plus 1 upon x. Now let us collect the terms of dy by dx. So you get, therefore, x minus 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x minus y. So take the LCM of this. You get here xy minus 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 1 minus xy upon x. Right? So you get dy by dx. I'll just solve here. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus xy upon x into, now this term will get, you have to take the reciprocal of xy minus 1 upon y on LHS. So it will be y upon xy minus 1. Now this 1 minus xy upon x into y upon. Now xy minus 1 can be written as minus of 1 minus xy. Correct? So this 1 minus xy and 1 minus xy, this whole thing will get cancelled and you will get minus y upon x. This is your dy by dx. Understood? Now I told you that this method, this sum can be done by another method also. See, what I was saying is, actually only the beginning is different, the rest it is same. See, the question was xy is equal to log xy. Correct? This was your question. Log of xy. Now log of xy can be written as log x plus log y. Correct? Log of a into b is log a plus log b. Now differentiate with respect to x. So you will get x into dy by dx plus y into dx by d dx of x, that is 1. is equal to log x, derivative of log x will be 1 upon x plus derivative of y will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. The same equation you have got over here. See, x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 upon y into dy by dx plus 1 upon x. So then further you can proceed in the same way. Only the beginning you can do with this, taking the log x plus log y, and then proceed in the same way. Clear? So with this we finish question number 2 of exercise 3.4. In the next video lecture, I'll be solving question number 3. So students, as usual, I'm just reminding you all, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you.